Are we gonna have another pump for those stocks like Palantir? When we discuss it in our live streaming, we enter around this level, the $9.30, and we said the first profit taking around the 10 before we finish our live streaming. The first profit taking almost 6%, around the $10.02, and the price got rejected. Right now we have another test and going for the second profit taking. Next up, we got XPON, hit our profit taking that we discussed yesterday because we held the $4 and we went until the $4.60 and the price got rejected. There's another potential profit taking. We already discussed XPON yesterday when we finished our live streaming, when we said the $4 is the breakout zone and the first profit taking is the $4.60. Next up, we got VLON, still pumping. Today pumped almost 50%. Price got rejected around our live streaming at the $1 level. You see here clearly the price got rejected. That's why we warned our hunter for a potential resistance around the $1 and the price went down. We're going to discuss the price support and potential squeeze for this big gainer stock that did almost 300% in the beginning of this month. Next up, we got AMC. Look with me what's going on. AMC reversed from our bottom that we discussed before. We said we have to hold above this box between the $4.60 and the $4.39, and the price reversed, and now we have an important level to test after this break around the $5. Next up, we got BBY. Really crazy what's happened for BBY because the price went around our level of support as we discussed before, the $1.80, and we got a huge buying pressure. And as we said yesterday, we need to break the $2.12, but we got rejected and the price went down once again. We're gonna discuss when we're gonna break the $2.12 and where's the bottom. Before we kick our video, we got great announcement for our hunters. You can get up to 15 free stocks on Momo, and those free stocks are AMC, DKNG, Tesla, Apple, and many more stocks. And how you can get those free stocks is really pretty simple. You open an account, then you deposit at least $100 to get 5 free stocks. And why Momo? Because you get 0 fees. You get the real-time level 2 data and AI supported alerts. You can actually trade around the clock, full extended hours. So use this opportunity and get your 15 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. So let's dive right in and discuss first Palantir, because Palantir right now is about to break the $10 and going again for the second profit taking. You see what's happened here? We have a hold up above this ascending line and we bounce from our EMA, and the most important thing is we got really great earnings, and that's why the price parabolically went up. Let me just check the earnings. 49% suppress for the earnings on the last Monday after hours. That's why the price is pumping for Palantir and going higher. So where are we gonna go? After we clear the $10, we're gonna have a huge pump around the $10.63 first, of course the $3.63, and we're gonna do update after that after we clear this level of profit taking. Next up, we got XPON. The price have a struggle around the first profit taking that we discussed before yesterday when we did chart analysis update on our Discord, when we said this first profit taking is around the $4.62, and the price got a huge wick here and got rejected, and right now we have another red candle, and there's another profit taking, bigger one for XPON after we clear this level. We're gonna do update for that as well. VLON looking interesting because the price got rejected, then the price went down. However, we had a great support over the 60 cents, and today we gapped, but the price got rejected exactly around the $1. So this is where the short seller are heavily positioned for VLON. A lot of you asked me in our live streaming that we did today, we have a potential pump for VLON. If you late for the party, VLON already did almost 300% in the span of just few days. So we might see another pump as long as we hold this current support, which is the 60. We might have a test for today because we got rejected around the $1. If we held above the 60 cent is mean accumulation, then the next time we're gonna break the $1 and the $1.20, which is the squeeze area for my opinion for VLON to have another squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge down toward this bottom. the 41 cent, which will be a reversal area swing trade for us if we visit this area for VLON. In the meantime, we need to hold the 60 and then breaking this important level between the $1 and the $1.20. There's a potential that we're gonna have this price action in pre-market tomorrow. So whatever the price will react, either breaking the support or breaking the resistance, we're going to do pre-market update, because as we discussed before, when we have a volatile stock, we have to discuss it before the market open to have precise entry for them. Next up, we got AMC. The price is jumping over the $5 resistance that we discussed in our live streaming. We said this is where we're gonna have a potential squeeze, at least going toward the $5.30 and the $5.70 for today. You see it here that the price reversed from our bottom that discussed before when we did chart analysis for AMC, and we discussed this bottom between the $4.60 and $4.39, and we said this is the price reversal for AMC to confirm there's a bullish momentum continuation and strength for the chart for AMC. And that's what happened, and now we breaking the $5. Now the $5 should be the support, even if we got rejected power hour around this area, the $5.30, and then continue toward the $5.70. This is the price action for today and maybe even tomorrow. BBY have a reversal around our bottom price, the $1.80. Right now we got kind of double bottom toward the $1.80. We got rejected around the $2.12. If you remember, we did chart analysis. We said the $2.12 is the important area to break and going higher for BBY. We need the same reaction that happened for AMC. Price reversed and went higher. You see what's happened for AMC? We went almost 16% from the bottom. But if we go back for BBY, we didn't have this reaction. The price is still stagnating down. It means there's more selling pressure than buying pressure. Yeah, we have 17%, 18%, but it still didn't clear an important level. For AMC, it was the $5. For BBY is the $2.12. You see it clearly that we got rejected. This means the short seller are heavily positioned there. So what's the game plan? We need to hold this current support or bottom. The next time we clear the $2.12, we're gonna have huge volatility toward the $2.30 and maybe even the $3. This would be a massive squeeze. Let me just check how much we can do. Another 40%. So we have to watch out clearly for BBY. We might see this reaction tomorrow and the last trading session for this week, because we're gonna have a long weekend because the Monday when market will be closed. So we're gonna have a huge volatility for the market by tomorrow. We're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in America. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.